Hi there guys and gals. I'm here in Gateway Cinema. I'm gonna watch a movie, The Conjuring Last Rites. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I've been waiting for this one guys and gals. I'm supposed to watch this on the first day, but I know that it's fully crowded and lots of patrons to watch. That's why I don't want to be like in a sardines, so I feel like to act so much and act myself free and to shout at the top of my lungs, to scream, oh my god, and to make some body movements. That's why. Hi. It's 9 o'clock. So I still have 22 minutes. Oh my gosh. But since that I'm okay. I'm online. I'm gonna wait for them. You know what, guys? Shout out to each every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fe Abordo, to my sister Christine, to my childhood friend Helen Careto. Hi, how are you?